25 Cities San Diego is the local arm of groundbreaking federal initiative to end veteran and chronic homelessness throughout the entire United States. The National 25 Cities Initiative was started by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, the U.S. Interagency Council on Homelessness, and many, many local community partners. The initiative, which has been implemented in downtown San Diego, focuses on collaboration between multiple private and public organizations like never seen before. It includes a multitude of service and housing providers. Working together, we've coordinated our efforts to maximize resources and further progress in our fight to end homelessness in San Diego. Since 25 Cities San Diego launched in June, we've hit major milestones. They've brought us closer to our goal and established a system called the Coordinated Assessment and Housing Placement System, or CAP for short. Multiple organizations and providers use this CAP system to assess the homeless population's needs. No longer will we have to do multiple assessments and maintain multiple waiting lists that make it harder for people to get help. The system is innovative because it centralizes all information collected. It focuses on a person's specific needs versus fitting a client into a one-size-fits-all program. It prioritizes resources on an individual basis and has been shown to increase placement time when compared to previously used methods that were often disconnected and inefficient. Some have described it as an Airbnb for the homeless. I'd like to introduce Teresa Grenewald from Veteran Community Services. She is the Supportive Services for Veterans and Their Families Program Manager that provides rapid rehousing for homeless veterans and their families, a new program from the VA that is helping us to end veteran homelessness. Teresa?
Thank you, Michael. Good afternoon. I'm here on behalf of the 25 Cities Design Team for San Diego. The design team consists of a variety of agencies and community advocates who share a common goal to end veteran and chronic homelessness. Collaborating together, the design team has successfully developed a coordinated assessment and housing placement system, or the CAP system, for people experiencing chronic homelessness and veteran homelessness in the downtown area. We assess more than 2,200 individuals residing on the streets or in shelters since June of 2014. Our 31 housing navigators set out to locate these individuals and help them collect IDs, proof of income and benefits, and other documents necessary to apply for permanent housing. Although locating these individuals proved to be challenging, we have ended homelessness for 68 persons experiencing chronic homelessness and for 44 veterans. Placements into permanent housing continue to happen every day. I want to share with you a story of a Vietnam veteran. His name is Ben, who was housed via this system. The veteran was homeless for 4 years in downtown San Diego. He's a construction worker by trade, and he found himself sleeping in his van in between jobs. The veteran was assessed by a San Diego volunteer in June. He was assigned to a housing navigator 1 week later and quickly accessed a rapid rehousing program for veterans. He ended his homelessness on September 12th of this year when he moved into his new studio apartment. We're helping him with securing employment, sorting out his finances, and accessing other resources that will help him achieve housing stability. Without the CAP system in place, this veteran might not have found the program that helped him end his homelessness. This veteran, who is a perfect example of the success of the CAP system, is here today to answer questions. As we, the design team, plan for the next 100 days, we will be evaluating how to refine our approach and truly end chronic and veteran homelessness in San Diego. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, Teresa. The VA is a main partner in the goal of ending veteran homelessness and a main partner of 25 Cities. I'd like to introduce Jeffrey Gehring. He's the Director and CEO of the VA San Diego Healthcare System to talk about their integration with this work both locally and nationally.
want to start off with some figures. The point time count for this year that was done in January this year found that the total number of homeless veterans in San Diego County decreased 12% over 2013. And that there was a significant decrease in the number of unsheltered veterans by 25%, or one quarter. This decrease in the unsheltered veterans emphasizes the efforts that have been taking place across this community. And the 25 cities is a large part of that. I really want to compliment the design team. 100 days ago, we empowered the design team to represent the leadership team and all of those in the downtown area as a first phase to come together and redesign the process. And that they did. The design team established a strong collaboration with all of those involved. They strengthened and streamlined the communication partnerships between the providers. They avoided duplication of efforts. They developed and implemented a unified assessment tool. They utilized the coordinated entry system, our database, in which we use to track the status of homeless individuals and the level of engagement of those individuals within the system. The VA San Diego healthcare system encourages and is an integral part of this effort, and is actively participating and encouraging that this expand to other parts of the county, and that will do. VA San Diego continues to serve homeless veterans throughout the county in the following ways. There are 236 additional HUD VASH vouchers in the San Diego County for this year. Local supportive services for family veterans that are commonly known as SSVF. Funding was replenished at the $3 million level, and we're seeking another $1 million towards that very effective program. Temporary housing programs available for homeless veterans include 528 transitional housing beds available throughout the county, and a new 40-bed domiciliary unit known as the Aspire Center. So again, the San Diego VA is actively involved. We're very excited and energized by the level of collaboration. This is what makes San Diego strong, and this is what makes San Diego County proud. Thank you.
Thanks, Jeff. There's so much great things going on with the VA and homelessness in San Diego specifically, and it shows in the progress that we're making. Another exciting thing that's going on is the integration of private funders into the effort to solve homelessness. And I'd like to introduce Nancy Sasaki, the Executive Director of Alliance Healthcare Foundation and the Chair of Funders Together to End Homelessness in San Diego, to discuss their work in supporting the 25 Cities Initiative.
Thanks, Michael. Funders Together to End Homelessness in San Diego is a local collaborative of philanthropists and grant makers that have come together and combined resources to actively end homelessness in San Diego County. I'd like to acknowledge the members of Funders Together in San Diego for contributing to this amazing effort. Alliance Healthcare Foundation, Raylene Family Trust Equity Partners, La Jolla Coin Shop, McCarthy Family Foundation, the Parker Foundation, San Diego Housing Commission, and United Way of San Diego County. Since forming, we've created a matrix of funding areas we believe will serve the system change needs that our community has. Funders Together funds and supports numerous initiatives, including 25 Cities San Diego. In June, we awarded 25 cities with a flexible fund of $20,000, which has been instrumental in the partners reaching key milestones and ending veteran and chronic homelessness in downtown San Diego. These funds supported the development of an innovative system for providers to share real-time information about housing availability and their homeless clients. I also want to congratulate all of those involved, all of y'all, for their dedication and accomplishments in such a short period of time. Michael, you come back up.
At the end of our 100-day event, Greg Anglia, Executive Director of Interfaith Community Services, announced that they are embarking on a planning effort to figure out what the next 100-day campaign will be up in North County. We'll be meeting in early October with the North County folks to discuss what that campaign will look like and when to kick it off. Our goal is to eventually expand this to every area of San Diego County. This is not a pilot. This is a new system, a new way of ending homelessness. homelessness that has proven to get us to our goal. Thank you all for coming. We're going to open it up for questions, and then we'll also be available afterwards for any one-on-one questions that you have. So any questions now, we're more than happy to take.